Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today is going to be another day in my series of 12 days of Christmas. For today's video, we're going to be doing a somewhat full face of Beauty Bakerie products. I got these for Black Friday, as you guys would have seen in like my first video, and I decided to play around with this. The packaging is so cute. This is my first purchase ever from Beauty Bakerie as a brand, and I'm sure you guys know all about Beauty Bakerie. You guys know what their deal is. They have a lot of like makeup related products that are all somehow intertwined with baking and baked goods, so you guys know the deal with that. I bought a few of their products. It's not a full face because I can't afford a full face straight off the bat, but I did get all of the products that have been on my list for a while and that I wanted to check out. So if you want to see what look I end up coming up with, please stay tuned and keep watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you haven't already. Your support is greatly appreciated, as well as don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of that will be listed down below, but it's all the same thing. It's Gilly. So this is the box that I got from Beauty Bakerie. I bought this for Black Friday. It did get here to me in a very timely manner. I think within a week it got to me, which I really appreciate. So that's really great. Okay, so jumping right into our base. For the foundation, this Cake Mix foundation, I did get it in the shade 17. It took a lot of soul searching for me to finally pick a shade. That was really difficult, but I ended up going with 17, and I really hope that this is my shade. I have seen other videos about this foundation, and I know that it does dry really quickly, so I'm definitely going to try to work a lot faster with this than I normally would with my other foundations. So we'll just see how it goes. This really won't be a review because there's so many out there, and I'm sure you guys kind of know things about this more than I do apparently, you know. So we're just gonna keep it moving by just putting this on our face. I am gonna use a sponge just because the sponge is wet and I kind of want to have mobility with this foundation. So I just really hope this is a match. Let's like do a little testing to see what happens. I think we have a match. Woohoo! So let me just go ahead and put this on the back of my hand, and I will blend this in with a sponge. And I think I just took way too much foundation, but whatever. Let's just go in and have fun. Okay, so this is what the first layer of the foundation is looking like. I do definitely think that this color is a match for me. I will leave some other shades of mine as a reference in the description bar below, just in case any of you guys were having issues picking out a shade for this one. And I am going to put a little bit more on my forehead because I'm having some breakouts, but overall I do like the coverage of this foundation a lot. I don't think it's full coverage off the bat. I think you could get a little bit more coverage, but you know, I don't mind layering on and just building it up, so that's completely fine with me. Just like one more pump. The foundation is bomb. I love the way my face is looking. I will test this out tomorrow when I like go to school to see how it lasts all day, because right now it's like 6 p.m. But I will leave in the description bar what I thought about the foundation, just in case you guys were wondering. As you guys know, I do have super oily skin, so I will let you guys know how this foundation wears and how it lasts throughout the day in the description bar, so please be sure to check that out. I always leave a bunch of cool information down there for you guys, so you know, just go ahead and check it out. So now we're all highlighted and concealed. It's finally time to go in with this infamous flower powder, and as I said, I did get this in the shade yellow. Now I'm just going to take a clean sponge to set my under eye and honestly like my whole face. That is really brightening. Like my under eye looks really bright right now. I don't know how I feel about that, but we'll continue. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so while my under eye is baking and looks scarily really bright, we're gonna jump into the eyes. For the Game of Cones eyeshadow palette, it is, apparently it's mattes and shimmers. However, all of these shades look really shimmery to me. So I'm kind of confused about what's a matte or a shimmer in here. I think I kind of see them. So we're just gonna play a little fun game and see what's a matte and what isn't. First, I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Cakeless Men. I die, that's hilarious. They literally even like made cake words with Game of Thrones words. Gosh, they are so creative, and I think that's what everybody really loves about this brand, is just how creative and unique they are. And I just like, I'm so excited that I finally have my hands on their products. So far, everything is looking really good. This powder did throw me off a little bit because it was really bright. I don't think I've ever used a real yellow powder before, but I have hopes because it's like sinking into my skin, and I think it's setting really well. So like I said, I'm going to take this Cakeless Men eyeshadow. It's a kind of a pinky shadow on a Morphe M504 brush, and we're gonna put this in our crease, see what happens. Okay, I thought that was a matte shade. It's not. It's also a shimmery shade, but we're already here, so I'm gonna go with it. So seeing as I think all of these shades are shimmery shades, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in to this shade here called Beats Landing. This pretty like kind of purple shade, and put that underneath. We're just gonna play with all shimmers today. Step out of our comfort zone. That's exactly what this 12 Days of Christmas challenge is all about. So let's see what we can work with. I'm going to jump into this shade Iron Cone to see if I could deepen that a little bit. One thing I will say is that even though these are shimmer shades, they are working very well and very blendable. So that's a weird plus to an eyeshadow palette that I just wasn't expecting. Because everybody thinks shimmer, you pack, you put it on your lid type of ordeal. But these are actually working really well and blending really well. So that's nice. Okay guys, so I was a little unsure about what I was going to do on the lid, but I've decided to go in with this shade Burnt Cloak to pack that all onto my lid using just like a flat lid brush. And then I think I might put this shade Cakester in the middle just for a little bit of difference in, you know, gold tones. I'm really feeling the way this is coming out. I was a little bit nervous because of all the shimmer shades, and I don't think I've ever done like a look using all shimmer shades before, but I am really enjoying this. Now we're just gonna do a liner with the liner that I bought, and throw on some lashes so you can see how this is all coming together. I will say that I have a lot of fallout from those last two shades. I don't know, I think something went wrong, and these two shades are probably better used with your fingers. As you can see, it looks like I dug into the pan so much, but I really didn't. I just wanted that shade to stick to my brush. Maybe I should have sprayed it, I'm not sure. But other than that, I do really like the way they look on my eyes, so who cares about how they look in the pan. This looks really good. We're just gonna do a black liner, and I'm using, again, their Lollipop liner. Super cute. That looks so good. That was so easy to work with. I don't think I've ever done a liner this quick and easy before. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, pop on some lashes, dust all of this off, and we'll be back to put on our lips and highlighter. Okay guys, so basically I have put on my falsies, I still need to put on mascara, and now we're moving on to the bottom of the eye line, or the bottom of our eyes, this line, you know what I mean? And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this kind of really brighter blue version down there underneath my eyes to just smoke it out a little bit, and then we'll move on to the final touches of our look. So we're gonna jump into our highlighter shade. This is, I don't know what shade this is. I think this one is called Frosted. So there you go. He said tap top and open slowly. I honestly can't even describe what kind of shade this is to you guys. I think it's more like a rose gold bronzy color. That's kind of what I like in my highlighters. So yeah, I don't like a bright highlight because it makes my pores stand out too much. But here we go. This highlighter is so cute because it's like so subtle that I'm actually like building it up. Like I never build up highlighter, but she's cute. Final step of the day is going to be lips, and I got this cute little lipstick from them. This one is in the shade Skinny Dip. I will say I think this is kind of small for a lipstick, but you know, who am I to judge? As long as it's a cute color, I'm fine with that, I guess. So this shade, it needs a liner. I'm just gonna go in with this kind of like pinky liner by Essence just to make it not look like this. Alrighty guys, so this concludes the entire face. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love the way that this face came out. I am so happy that I like bought all of these products, that I tried them out with you guys. That was super fun. I'm so happy that I was able to like go out of my comfort zone and honestly create this look using basically an all shimmers palette. That is really actually something I have never done before, and I'm really happy with the way that the look came out. Like, no, it's not perfect, but I think I did a really good job making these shades work for me. So that, guys, concludes this video. I hope you guys had as much fun watching me use all of these Beauty Bakerie products as I had using these Beauty Bakerie products. Please be sure to check out all the other videos in my 12 days of Christmas, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you want to, you know, get some sneak peeks, some nice pictures that I take of these looks. So yeah, without further ado, that is the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.